Hello everybody and welcome to our virtual Golden Assembly. Now we're really impressed with our home learning heroes and what they've been up to at home. So we're just going to get started. So just bear with me while I share my screen. Well done to Lily in the Den class. She's made a stick man in art and she used it in maths to measure short and tall. Well done, Lily. You are brilliant and you work so hard. Our friend Alex in the Ladybirds class has been a brilliant home learning hero this week. He has produced some excellent writing in phonics and made an absolutely brilliant octopus in art. Well done, Alex. Harry and the caterpillars. Look at our friend Harry. He's really embraced his home learning this week. And as you can see, his artwork has been particularly awesome. Harry, you're a superstar. Well done. Jax in our Bumblebees class. Well done, our friend Jax. He's been a find out fish this week. He dipped pampas grass in paint to write his name. And he even noticed that when the colours mixed, they made new colours. Well done, Jax. William and the frogs. Wow, you showed great resilience this week. You kept going even when it got difficult. You worked through the handbook videos, completed some doodle math activities, and impressed everyone with your quick mental math skills. Our friend Eden in the Otters class, look at all this writing. She's been a brilliant mathematician. She's written some addition stories alongside her number sentences. Well done, Eden. Jaden in the Dragonflies class, look at this. Isn't it brilliant? He's been a great home learning hero. He's tried so hard with all his tasks and has had a positive attitude towards his learning. Toby and the Foxes. He's been a brilliant artist at home this week. He's used lots of different lines and colours to make his doodle stand out. Well done, Toby. Niall, look at this, been an amazing home learning champion. He was finding his maths quite tricky, but he showed great resilience and kept on going to achieve incredible results. Well done, Niall. We are so proud of you. You kept going even when it was tricky. And Tabitha, in lockdown, she's been writing a book and her mum has been recording her reading it. Tabitha, what great work. We're really looking forward to hearing the whole story when it's finished. So well done to all of those children. And in school, we'll be having our Golden Assembly soon, so we can see who our in-school learning champions have been. So well done, everyone. Keep trying, keep working hard, keep being resilient. Remember, that means we keep going, we keep trying, even when it gets difficult. So well done. Have a lovely weekend and stay safe. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.